Got a 2021 Mercedes C43, and I'm going to show you how to pull the battery out of this remote here. So all you need to do is push this button down here, and this button will release the emergency key, but this button will also release this back cover also. So you need to push it pretty good and then slide the cover up, okay, and it will unlock just like this. Okay, so we're pushing it at this motion here. Now once you get that off, if we look at this side of the remote here, there's a slot right here, and there's like a little positive sign here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to just start twisting this in the slot here. And see how this is coming up here? This is what's holding the battery in here. All right, so we take this out and flip it over. Here's our battery. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign or the writing facing down in the holder where you can't read it anymore. I'm gonna turn it back over like this and push it back in here. That's how you replace it. If you need a battery, I'll have the size and the battery link that takes you to Amazon down in the description box, so check that out. You just get the cover and slide it back on. You'll hear it lock. Your emergency key should go right back in like that, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button for me. Hope to see you again in another video.